Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 2 unit 3 good habits lesson number 6 living together. As we have finished this chapter, today we are going to do its exercise. Let's start. Question number 1 is how do rules help us, and its answer is rules help us to live happily. The answer of question number 1 is rules help us to live happily. Then next question, do you have lots of friends? And its answer is yes, I have. Next question is, do you ever feel lonely? When? Its answer is sometimes, when no one plays with me. This is the answer of question number 3. Next question is, write down 2 things which make you sad. And its answer is when I am alone, जब मैं अकेला हूँ. Second is when I am ill. Next is write down 2 things which make you angry. And its answer is when someone make loud noise. Second is when someone fight. Next question is write down 2 things which make you happy. Its answer is when I got gift. Second is when I go on picnic. Question number B is make a list of things you share with other people. And its answer is first one is lunch, second one is toys. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा ये लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया है. ये था हमारा गुड हैबिट्स लेसन 3 लिविंग टुगेदर. अगले लेसन के साथ फिर हाजिर होंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.